Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, 𝓬𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Today I'm going to be bedazzling a bouquet of forever flowers. I got these from my dear friend Lori. Go check out her channel, guys. I always tell you she has an amazing, beautiful Louis Vuitton Murakami collection. And guys, she sent me these flowers and she suggested it as well, but I already had thought about it as soon as I saw the flowers to bedazzle it. How cute would that be, right? So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to show you how to level up these super cute bouquets. So if you ever want to give one away or you're just bedazzling your own bouquet, you know exactly how to do it. Let's start off with some materials. I'm going to be using Liquid Fusion and my handy dandy pickup tool. And I am going with the black rhinestone. This is a size SS20. Remember, all materials are always linked down below in the description, so if you are interested in anything, go check it out. So I'm going to start bedazzling from the bottom up, okay? Because right here you can see the petals, you know, so if my lines for some reason do not end up being super straight, you won't be able to really tell because it's going to be under the flower, okay? And then this also helps as a guide because it's straight. So I'm just going to start off right at the edge. I'm going to do this separate. And then this, I'm going with the honeycomb pattern. So let's begin. I'm going to do a thin layer of Liquid Fusion. Just a small section so I have time to work with it. And I'm going to start applying my rhinestones. And I'm going to do this all the way around. So right here, as you can see, I finished my first section. Just be very careful to keep them as straight as possible. Again, working on my next section now, I'm going to apply a nice thin layer of Liquid Fusion once again. Just enough so I can work with it while it's fresh. And just continue applying my rhinestones. Again, I'm going to do this all the way around. Okay, so now that I went all the way around, look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second row. Like I told you guys, I am going with the honeycomb, so I'm gonna show you how to do that now. So the honeycomb is just basically like a bee's honeycomb. This row that I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put the rhinestone between the previous line of rhinestones. So just like a bee's honeycomb, very, very simple. I'm gonna apply my Liquid Fusion. Again, still working by sections. And I'm just going to apply my rhinestone like that, right between the previous two, like that. And I'm gonna go all the way around doing that. And they should fit perfectly because this is all the same size. It's not changing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that all the way around. Okay, so I am done going around. Look at this. It's looking super cute. Now I'm going to move on to this area. Okay, so now for this area, same thing, the honeycomb. I'm just gonna go around, do my first line, and then with my second line, I'm going to start off the honeycomb. Okay, so I am done. Look at this. So I did not get like super closer because the flowers are a little off. I don't know, I'm still debating. Maybe I'll do it right now, like fill it completely in, but it looks pretty good so far. I don't think you're gonna see it much because the flowers are right there, you know. I don't know, but guys, look at this. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll be back to show you guys the final result. Okay, so I am completely done. Look at this, guys. It is completely dry. I did end up doing a few more rows just to get as close as I could in there. Look at that. You can still see a little bit, but it's nothing major. When I put it on the cabinet, you can't see it. Look at that. I just love it. I think the black rhinestones look so cute. They look so classy. I was thinking about doing like AB rhinestones, but I was like, no, let's just go full on black. Look at that. It looks so pretty. Whatever color you want to do, that's completely up to you. This is super easy to do, guys. It literally took me like around a little under 2 hours to do all of this. Super easy. So yeah, now you know how to bedazzle your forever flower bouquet. It came out super cute. Let me know what you think. Leave me a lovely comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And stay tuned. Turn on your notifications for many more DIYs to come.